Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Sintra AI to reply to comments in seconds. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra AI and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for can be found here in a couple places. The first thing we want to take a look at is automations on the left-hand side. If you click on automations, then you're going to see here where it says Facebook commenter. And this is right now the only way that you can reply to a comment in seconds. So essentially what this does is if somebody comments on your post, then this is going to reply automatically. And you can see here where we could click setup. And if we click setup, then you're going to see that we're first off going to need to connect this integration in Brain AI. We'll take a look at that in a moment. And then the next thing that is important is that you do need to have a Facebook page. So you wouldn't be able to do this directly to your Facebook profile. You're going to need a page. And if it says no pages found, then that's because you don't have a page set up for Facebook yet. So you're going to want to head over to Facebook and make sure that you create a page. Now, bear in mind that when you try to create a page with Facebook, you are going to need to be verified in order to be able to create a page. And if your profile is too new, then there's a good chance that it's going to kick back on you. So the next thing we want to take a look at is in Brain AI. We're going to head over to Brain AI. And you're going to see here where it says Facebook and Instagram connect. So if we click on this, then you could see here that we have a connection, but this is for a different profile. So this is not for Skillcraft. So it's not the one that I would want to connect. So Skillcraft doesn't have a Facebook page yet. So we don't have the option to connect this. But if you have a Facebook and you want to use the auto comment feature, then you're going to want to make sure that you go to automations and select Facebook commenter. And you're also going to want to make sure that you connect your Facebook through the Brain AI integrations. And then third, you're going to want to make sure that you have a Facebook page, so that way it will comment to the Facebook page. At the time being, Facebook is the only integration that it has for auto commenting. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find a link to our X page. We just got started there. We'd love to have you. Also, we have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as our top AI tool recommendations. You can click on these to get started, or you can also take a look at Roamless eSIM. Click on these links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.